What's up y'all, Toys and RC Bros here. Today we're going to unbox this short course truck that you can get on Amazon for less than $50 US. So stay tuned, we're going to unbox this and then try it out. Okay, so taking a look at what we have inside the box, this is the 143 scale mini short course truck. It is made out of hard plastic, so this is a toy grade truck. It's about nearly 3.5 inches from hub to hub and about 5.5 inches long. It's about 3 inches wide, so it's pretty tiny. Seems like we also have a few scratches out of the box too. This is the remote control. It's 2.4 gigahertz. Pretty lightweight. So according to the user manual, you need to charge the battery for about 8 hours for the first 2 times and then 5 to 6 hours afterwards. So we'll be right back after charging the battery. Stay tuned. Alright, the battery is fully charged, so let's go ahead and put everything together and then see how it looks. Seems like the battery is going to be a tight fit. Switch the truck to on. Oh, seems like we have lights. Well, we have some lights on the front, nothing at the back. The remote controller uses 2 AA batteries. And it's connected. If you are looking to get one of these trucks, we will leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and leave us a thumbs up. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this truck.